Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start with the right foundation for delicious seasoned rice. In this video, I will explain how to cook seasoned rice. First, select a good quality long-grain white rice, as it holds its shape well. Next, rinse your rice under cold running water until the water is completely clear. This removes excess starch, preventing stickiness. For an even better texture, consider soaking the rice in water for about 30 minutes before cooking. Now, let's build that incredible flavor. Begin by sautéing finely diced aromatics like garlic and onion in 1 tablespoon of oil until fragrant. Then, stir in your chosen spices, perhaps 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of turmeric, or a pinch of paprika, allowing them to bloom. Finally, add your rinsed rice to the pot and toast it gently with the seasonings for about 2 minutes, infusing every grain with flavor. Achieving perfectly cooked rice is all about the right technique. For every 1 cup of rice, you'll typically need 2 cups of liquid, such as broth or water. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot tightly with a lid and let it simmer undisturbed for about 15 to 20 minutes. Resist the urge to lift the lid during this crucial cooking time. The final steps are essential for light, fluffy rice. Once the cooking time is complete, remove the pot from the heat but keep the lid on. Allow the rice to rest for a full 10 minutes. This allows the steam to redistribute evenly. After resting, gently fluff the rice with a fork to separate the grains. Serve your beautifully seasoned rice immediately, perhaps garnished with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro or parsley.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.